Hi and welcome. Now in the other videos, you've seen who we are, what we do, and how we build our network. This video will show you the earning potential of My Holding Tank, the incredible financial power of building a network first, and then how to register with an MLM company. It'll also show you why it's important to sign up with an official MLM company level by level, without signing everyone up at the same time. Now, this video is a simulation. We could have chosen any other company with a binary compensation plan, and the figures would look similar to the ones in this video. This is just a simulation to show you the incredible power of having a pre-built network and then signing up with an MLM company. In this video, we'll talk about money, how we earn money, and how much money we'll earn. We'll start with an official registration when we reach level 10 with at least Phase 2 qualified members. To fill level 10, we need 2,046 active members. Now that's the sum from levels 1 to 10. Now, let's take a look at the animation. We've chosen Total Life Change as an example. We're using them because they have a very strong binary compensation plan and also a very high check match percentage. Total Life Change will serve to show you the massive earning potential of My Holding Tank. Now, this example is not totally correct. I've simplified it to explain it in an easier way. The message of the video is to show you the power of starting an MLM company with a pre-built network, not to explain in depth the Total Life Change compensation plan. Do you understand? Good. In this example, we have 3 different bonuses and a starting capital of $100. The Fast Start, the Binary Bonus, and the Check Match Bonus are 3 standard basic compensation plan bonuses. Almost every company has them in their own compensation plans. Now on the left side, you see the binary tree with 10 levels of members. Each full level is illustrated in green. You can also see the weeks and the levels. Here, we see a copy of the Total Life Change compensation plan with percentages and bonuses. Now for the moment, we only have a binary tree in My Holding Tank, and with the binary tree, we can't reach the top position in this compensation plan. We'll reach the maximum position of Global Director. So let's say we filled up level 10 and we start the sign-up process. Your first 2 members sign up this week. You'll earn a 50% Fast Start bonus for these 2 members. They start with $100 each for a total of $200, and you earn 50% of $200 or $100. You do not have a binary or check match bonus this week. In week 2, you have a total of 4 members that sign up. In this week, you don't have any Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 10% of your lesser leg. But remember, in My Holding Tank, we do not have lesser legs. The legs are always equal, so you get 10% from $200 or $20. In week 3, you have a total of 8 members that sign up. In this week, you don't have any Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 10%. You get 10% from $400 or $40. In week 4, you have a total of 16 members that sign up. In this week, you don't have any Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 10%. You get 10% from $800 or $80. Now you can also see that in My Holding Tank, the binary keeps growing and that we have filled level 11. That's illustrated in yellow. Now it's important because the levels above are waiting their turn to sign up, and when it is their turn, they will have several levels below them. Now, due to the power of the mini matrix, the levels just keep growing. Each member must be qualified to participate in the sign-up program. In week 5, you have a total of 32 members that sign up. In this week, you do not have any Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 12%, so you get 12% from $1,600 or $192. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $80, and 10% of your second level, or $16. So that makes a total of $288. And once again, in My Holding Tank, the binary keeps growing to another level. In week 6, you have a total of 64 members that sign up. In this week, you don't have any Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 12%, so you get 12% from $3,200, or $384. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $192, and 10% of your second level, or $36. That makes a total of $612. In week 7, you have a total of 128 members that sign up. No Fast Start bonus. Your binary bonus is 14%, so you get 14% from $6,400, or $896. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $384, and 20% of your second level, $152. So that gives you a total of $1,432 in Week 7. On to Week 8. You have a total of 256 members that sign up. There's no fast start bonus, but your binary bonus is 17%. So you get 17% from $12,800 or $2,159. Now your check match is 50% of your first level, or $896, and 30% of your second level, or $115. That makes a total of $3,515. Now we're also climbing up in position each week until we reach Global Director. Now that's why the binary and check match percentages are going up. In Week 9, you have a total of 512 members that sign up. No fast start bonus. Binary bonus is at 17%, so you get 17% of $25,600, or $4,352. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $2,159, and 30% of your second level, or $1,075. That makes for a total of $7,587. On to Week 10. You have a total of 1,024 members that sign up. No fast start bonus. Your binary bonus is 22%. So you get 22% from $51,200, or $11,264. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $4,352, and 50% of your second level, or $4,320. So all in all, that totals $19,936. In Week 11, you have a total of 2,048 members that sign up. No fast start bonus. Your binary bonus is 22%. So you get 22% from $102,400, or $20,000. The binary plan has a maximum of $20,000 a week, and we've achieved that this week. Your check match is 50% of your first level, or $11,264, and it's 50% of your second level, or $8,704. So that's a total of $39,968. In Week 12, you have a total of 4,096 members that sign up. No fast start bonus. Your binary bonus is 22%, but we've reached that cap of $20,000. Now your check match is 50% of your first level, or $20,000, and 50% of your second level, or $22,528. So that makes it a total of $65,228. We've now also reached the position of Global Director, and we are qualified for the Mercedes. Now, take a look at the binary tree from My Holding Tank. There you can see the importance of signing up per level each week. Imagine a member that just joined us when we decided to start the sign-up process. Let's say he's in level 9. He'll need to wait until it's his turn to pay, and that is 9 weeks. In those 9 weeks, our binary in My Holding Tank has grown several levels, and on the day that the new members must pay, he has several levels below him. If we would have signed up as a group in one go, then he would never participate because he wouldn't have any downline in My Holding Tank, and thus he wouldn't be interested in participating in the sign-up process. In this illustration, you can see the total earnings per month. In month 1, you earn $240. In 2 months, a total of $6,187. In month 3, a total of $138,906. In month 4, you earned a total of $320,000. That's the maximum amount we can earn with the plan of Total Life Change. I hope you've seen the amazing power of starting an MLM company with a pre-built network. This is absolutely game-changing, and will flip the whole MLM world upside down. In normal MLM, you start as a normal distributor, and you need to work years to get to these figures. That is, if you are able to get there at all. But in My Holding Tank, everyone can reach it. It's vital that each member concentrate on working his mini matrix. Put all your effort in making sure you have a good and quality mini matrix. The mini matrix is the cornerstone of My Holding Tank, and it helps the binary grow not only quickly, but also with quality members. The sooner we do this, the sooner we'll start the sign-up process with an MLM company. Now, the example in this video is only with one company. Don't forget, we'll be signing up with several companies, and with each company, we'll reach the maximum of their compensation plan in 12 to 14 weeks. We'll earn similar amounts there as in this example, and before you know it, you'll be making millions with our program. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Keep track of us in our Facebook group or contact your sponsor for even more information about online meetings and other training. Thanks again.